Hey guys, selamat datang kembali di Win Hero Movie guys. Gila sih ya film kemarinnya. Wah itu sedih Leslie now gitu kan. Lebay sih ya, nggak kayak gitu sih reaksi gue kemarin. Oke guys, video kali ini kita bakal nobar film lagi ya guys ya. Kali ini kita bakal nonton film, bukan film lama kayak kemarin, tapi ini kita bakal nonton film baru ya guys ya. Film yang lagi sempat viral juga di sosial media, dan setelah gue teliti baik-baik, rupanya ini film yang diangkat dari film lama. Wah, kalau kita ngingat lagi ya guys ya, pada saat masa kecil kita, apalagi kalau yang kalian lahirnya 2000-an ya gitu ya. Nah, kalau balik sekolah itu ya balik sekolah langsung buka TV, langsung hidupin DVD gitu kan. Entah kenapa film lama tuh jarang banget ada yang film tuh nggak bagus. Hampir semua film tuh bagus ya. Apalagi kalau dulu tuh film-film kartun tuh adanya di Trans TV, Trans 7, Global TV, RCTI, Indosiar. Wah, itu semuanya film kartun yang bagus-bagus tuh semuanya ada di situ, guys. Numpuk semuanya di situ. Entah itu SpongeBob lah, Doraemon, Shinchan, Naruto, Dragon Ball, semua anime-anime yang legend tuh semuanya di situ gitu. Belum lagi kalau seandainya ya yang para otaku banget ya, mungkin yang kalian yang bukan otaku tuh nggak ngerti gitu ya. Apalagi kalau film Ultraman, Kamen Rider, Super Sentai atau bahasa Inggrisnya tuh Power Ranger gitu. Wah, gue semua film gue tonton guys, walaupun itu filmnya ya para otaku aja, walaupun gue tuh nggak terlalu otaku wibu banget, tapi tuh gue nonton. Ultraman Cosmos gue nonton, Ultraman Gaia gue nonton, Ultraman, iya, Ultraman yang paling jadul pun gue nonton gitu, Ultraman Taro apa. Tapi walaupun nggak semua episode yang gue tonton, cuman sedikit-sedikit episodenya aja, sama the movie-nya kadang gue juga nonton gitu. Dan yang paling gue suka banget gitu ya dari film Ultraman gitu ya, film Ultraman tuh kalau kalian dengerin lagunya, wah dengerin lagunya tuh udah kayak dengerin lagu yang paling damai sejuta umat manusia gitu. Mewo oitakete subete wa kawaru, kayak gitu lah harusnya ya. Dan yang bakal gue tonton kali ini adalah ya, palingan kalian udah tahu ya gue bakal nonton apa gitu ya. Yes, betul banget, gue bakal nontonin Ultraman Rise ya Ultraman Rise, bangkit, Ultraman bangkit artinya. Tapi guys, film Ultraman yang satu ini tuh agak unik gitu loh. Soalnya tuh ini film bukan dari Jepang, bukan versi Jepangnya, tapi tuh ini film dari yang buatnya itu orang Amerika gitu, Amerikanos gitu ya, pakai S bukan S, Amerikanos gitu. Dan gue pikir-pikir ya kenapa ya orang Amerika bikin film film Ultraman gitu? Kenapa tumben ya? Apa kehabisan ide atau gimana gitu? Tapi guys, kalau gue boleh jujur ya guys ya, pada saat gue nontonin trailernya, wah itu apa ya, animasinya tuh udah kayak kelebihan budget gitu loh. Gue ngelihatnya tuh animasinya tuh udah kayak film Spider-Verse ya, gabungan antara 2D dan 3D. Bagi gue tuh wah, ini film Ultraman yang bakal jadi film Ultraman apa. Dan banyak juga sih yang bilang kalau filmnya tuh bagus gitu, jadi gue kepo aja gitu, gue pengen nonton aja. Tapi kalau boleh jujur ya guys ya, gue tuh sebenarnya agak sedikit apa ya, agak sedikit khawatir aja loh gitu loh. Karena ini yang bikin Amerikanos ya. Soalnya gimana ya, gue tuh rasa kalau film masa kecil gue yang membuat masa kecil gue tuh indah gitu ya gara-gara film Ultraman. Tapi kalau film ini dirusak sama seseorang gitu ya, entah entah berantah dari mana gitu, gue kesel. Kenapa ini film yang benar-benar buat gue tuh suka waktu kecil, kalau sampai ini dirusak sama seorang, aduh, lu tahu kan sekarang Amerika tuh filmnya keadaannya lagi apa gitu di Hollywood ya. Ya apa-apa sedikit dimasukin hal nggak penting, kayak kayak kemarin aja gitu film kartun Disney, ada G-nya gitu. Jadi gue tuh mikir gitu loh, nanti Ultraman nih kalau G gimana gitu. Maksud gue tuh iya sih Ultraman man gitu kan, tapi ya dia nggak ada ininya gitu loh, nggak ada apa ya, nggak ada anunya gitu loh ya. Walaupun dia Ultraman tapi tetap aja nggak bisa dibikin, pasrah deh. Ya, tapi sebenarnya gue kayaknya terlalu overthinking ya karena gue udah banyak nyaksikan film Amerika sekarang tuh kayak ya begitulah gitu guys. Udah guys, jangan terlalu overthinking, kita nonton aja guys film Ultraman Toraiso ya. Langsung kita nonton, let's go.
That's a kaiju, not a hero. But not a villain either. There he is. That's our hero, Ultraman.
Ultraman, Ultraman bukan Ultraman ya, Ultraman. Kalau di Jepang Ultraman susah nyebutnya.
It's up to you to make the tough choices. Decide who matters most. But it's not the toughest job. Toughest job? Well, I had no idea until it was my turn.
Openingnya aja tuh style Ultraman jadul. Ini yang gue suka.
I am Ultraman!
Ultraman, we must check the curry. Mina, status report.
Temperature is steady, but it needs a good stir. Professor Sato.
Satu.
Not today, Gamora!
Ultraman, use your force shield.
Too strong, can't hold much longer.
Distract with Ultra Slash.
Get back, monster!
Ultraman, it's your color timer. Stay focused or you will change back to human form. Kenji, Ultraman's most important task is finding balance. Understand?
Jangan si bapaknya Ultraman, guys.
Oh yeah, Matsui!
Yeah, he's pretty great. Too bad he plays for the Giants.
Mom, come on. He's the best player in the league.
Salah satu olahraga yang paling disukai orang Jepang tuh baseball, guys. Gak tau juga ya kenapa mereka suka baseball gitu. Sering banget gitu kalau gue baca komik Jepang tuh pasti olahraganya baseball.
Matsui or Ultraman?
That's a big question for such a little boy. Incoming call from Dr. Onda.
Emiko, Hayao, our level our defenses. Your family, mine, are in danger. Gigatron is coming. Gigatron is coming to you.
I'll go. You stay here with Kenji.
Don't go, Daddy. Please, stay. It's the game with us.
I'll be back before the 7th inning stretch.
Promise?
Wow. Scene ter-epic, guys. Baru mulai. Gila.
Dad, you're mad at me. I get it. I know it wasn't an easy choice, leaving your life behind. Say the Dodgers, millions of adoring fans. But what I'm asking is bigger than baseball. The world needs you. Become something more. Sorry, your mom was better at this. Anyway, I'm around.
For the last few weeks, one name has dominated the headlines in what is sure to be
Kalau dilihat dari omongan bapaknya tuh kayak anaknya nggak
as Ken Sato returns to the land of his birth. Now, please join me in welcoming him back to Japan.
kayak nggak akur sama bapaknya gitu loh.
Our Giants family, Ken Sato.
Thanks for waiting, folks.
Dia jadi artis dong.
No. What I said was, I am the greatest living player. Well, Otani can say whatever he likes. Aw, that's too sweet. Thank you. I love baseball. That's all I've got. I'm rocking wheatgrass, bro. Bro. The rookie. This ain't T-ball, bro.
Bro. Kayak sombong gimana gitu.
Mr. Sato, why did you come back to Japan?
I'm sorry. What's your name?
Ami Wakita.
Hold up. You're the Tigers fan, right?
The question isn't who I root for, Mr. Sato. The question is why, on the verge of your first championship, you choose to walk away and start over. Some suggest it was emotional stress due to family.
Guys, play nice, okay? I'm happy to answer the question. Miss Wakita, please continue.
Thank you. Some speculate that your departure was connected to the loss of your mother, that there was some sort of unfinished family business.
Pertanyaan terlalu ini ya. Personal.
Nironga is attacking Akihabara.
Hey, Sato!
Hey, Coach Shimura.
You can't charm me. There's no place for the Ken Sato show on my team.
Look, I get it. It's been a rough couple of years for you guys, but I'm here to help. Let me drive, win some games, and we can get this team back on top where it belongs.
Right there. That's your problem. No humility. It takes more than attitude to become a giant.
I stopped believing in Giant a long time ago.
Sombong banget.
You need to get Nironga out of here with as little damage as possible.
Give me a break, Mina! I'm doing the best I can!
All right. Stop! Why you gotta make this so hard?
Merinding banget guys, lihat animasinya.
Try the easy way.
Ultraman si paling beda ya.
How awesome was that? Hey, where's the love?
Ultraman! Stop showboating and do your job!
I think I just did.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Ivan oke.
The Kaiju Defense Force, evacuate the area immediately.
good here? I was just wrapping things up.
You've been warned before. You are not an authorized government agent. Evacuate immediately or you will be placed into custody.
Dang! Is that what happens to authorized government agents?
What the heck, kan? Ditamperin dong pesawatnya. Untung nggak ada orang di dalamnya kan.
Do something.
Bapaknya ya?
Awesome. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Come to Japan. Help your dad. Save the world. It'll be great.
Ken, KDF seem to be using excessive force. Shall I plot a course back to the battle?
You know what? I'm gonna punch out for the night.
Ada masalah apa ya dia dengan ayahnya?
Right on time. Here comes the guilt trip.
He's already left and messages.
No, thanks. I've had my butt kicked enough tonight. Please silence all calls, Mina. I need some me time.
After your interview with Miss Wakita, of course.
Wait, the same lady from the press conference?
Yes, Ken, the same lady from the press conference. And you're an hour late.
Parah sih, si Ken. Monster ditinggalin, acara telat 1 jam. Gen Z banget ya. Gen Z gak tuh?
So, you've had an impressive career,
Gold glove over slugger.
and yet you've never won a championship.
Wow, right for the throne.
It's just an observation.
Just an observation. Sure. You know, there are lots of great players who never won titles.
Yes, and some say you're better than all of them.
Some. You have seen me play, right?
420 batting average, 624 stolen bases. But personal stats don't win championships.
So my ego is holding me back.
I didn't say that. And to be honest, I'm not really here to discuss stats.
Why are we discussing stats?
Because players are more comfortable talking about stats than themselves.
Hey, I'm happy to talk about me.
Great, because I want to know why. Why you avoid most interviews. Why you keep your teammates at a distance. And why you left a city that loves you. You both moved to LA when you were young. Your father stayed behind. That couldn't have been easy.
Yeah, well, Dad wasn't really paying attention. Kids ever make fun of how you talk, how you look, what you eat? You learn real quick that they're gonna talk no matter what. So, give them something else to talk about.
Can I print that? Gio! Mama! What are you doing?
No kids on the table.
Oh, God, I'm so sorry. My mom's supposed to be watching her.
You know what? You look really good.
Gio!
Ultraman's the best.
Down! Now!
Stage you.
Each of you has experienced the loss of colleagues, friends, and even family. The devastation caused by the horrible kaiju scourge. I felt that pain, that loss, and I wake up every morning asking myself how I can stop it from happening again. But our shared sacrifices have not been in vain. Today is a landmark day, and thanks to your courageous efforts, very soon our families and the families of this country will be able to live in a better world, a safer world, a world absent from fear.
Vulture's Nest, this is Blackjack 73. We are en route with the package, over.
Copy that, Blackjack 73. What is your ETA?
8 hours, 30 minutes, over.
Roger that. We anxiously await your arrival. Over and out.
Gila-gila, itu ngeri sih guys ya. Bayangkan di laut ada hewan sebesar itu. Wah, itu ngeri sih.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ken, it appears that you strained your rotator cuff during the battle.
That's what I get for saving lives.
Ken, it is your duty to save lives.
Now stop trying to be my mother.
I am as I was programmed.
Dewe, ibunya udah ini ya, udah meninggal. Atau jangan-jangan dibunuh sama monster kali ya. Jadi itu yang membuat si Ken-nya marah sama ayahnya karena nggak bisa nyelamatin ibunya. Maybe ya, gue nggak tahu.
Ken, I wonder if you might consider taking a break
From drinking farts?
from baseball.
Give up the one thing that puts a smile on my face? Sorry, no. TV, please.
Paling bos ya.
I love Ultraman. Always have. He's done so much good in the past.
Thank you, citizen.
But he's been gone for months, and now that he's back, like he doesn't really care. I mean, look at this.
I didn't even want this gig. And now everybody's coming at me. Shimura, the KDF, random grandma. Can we just, please, give Ultraman a rest?
Yes, of course.
Ini kalau Gen Z yang jadi Ultraman ya guys ya. Banyak ngeluhnya.
Kenji, I hope you're settling into Tokyo. I know this isn't what you wanted, but you're doing a very good thing with his injury. Your father needs you, kiddo. I just hope you two can find balance. I'll always root for you, even if you play for the Giant.
Still no sightings? Readings from her GPS locator?
No, Ken.
Wait, ibunya hilang. Ibunya hilang.
Mina, could you pull up an old game?
Of course, Ken.
Welcome, baseball fans, to opening day and a matchup between your Giants and the visiting Swallows.
Hey, Wakita, you got a one-on-one with Sato. Inquiring minds want to know more.
You know what, Kubo? This is baseball, not gossip hour. Yeah, I heard your little comment at the press conference.
You can feel the electricity in the air. 42,000 fans here tonight. A capacity crowd waiting to get their first look at Ken Sato, anxious to see what he can bring to this Giants team.
I can't believe it's my first game with Ken Sato.
That's where the
Pompong banget Ken Sato ya. Lengannya pakai sakit lagi.
Kenny, it's a shame about that shoulder. Ooh, just breaks my heart. Strike one!
Come on, seriously?
I guess, legends are human too. Strike two! If only there was a Japanese version of this guy.
The Japanese version's about to make you eat this back.
Oh yeah? You wanna go? Hey, all right, fellas, come on now. Break it up, break it up.
Masih.
Ken Sato's gonna try something new. He's gonna switch to batting right-handed. You know, I've never seen this in the middle of an at-bat.
Wah, jauh banget.
That one and drove it into the right field seats. How's that?
Banyak banget TV-nya.
Blackjack 73, pull up, go
Jadi dari tadi si pesawatnya nggak sadar monster yang di belakang. Oh, itu telurnya ya.
That is for messing up my game. Oh, crap.
Scramble all jets, kill Gigantron, and retrieve the package.
Ken, you saw what the KDF did to Naranga. They will kill Gigantron if you don't help.
Si organisasinya ini ngebunuh monsternya, tapi si Ultraman-nya nggak mau ngebunuh. Jadi gimana? Dia bingung dong.
Hey there, Mr. Gigantron! Whoa! If you give me whatever that thing is, those planes back there might leave you alone.
Sir, we have target lock.
Ultraman may get caught in the blast if we fire now, sir.
I don't care about Ultraman. Will the package survive the blast?
Yes, sir.
Then take the shot!
Roger that. Fire!
Danger. Take the base back.
Efek airnya keren ya, kayak 2D ya, kayak komik-komik gitu.
Okay.
Ibunya mati. Gimana dong anaknya? Pusing ya. Agak kok kawaii banget. Kok backgroundnya kayak background Idul Fitri ya.
Mina! Emergency analysis.
Scanning for injuries. Ken, this is very strange. According to my readings, you have a second heartbeat?
No, not my heartbeat, Mina.
Oh my god. Is that?
Yep, it's the end of the world.
The end of the world.
Is it okay?
She, Ken. The infant is a she.
Tina.
Reflex is okay. Heart rate seems slightly elevated.
Just give me the bad news.
I have absolutely no specific data on infant kaiju physics.
Didn't Mom and Dad program everything they knew about these things into your electric brain?
She is not a thing, Ken, and we've never seen an infant kaiju. In fact, no one has.
Great. Super helpful. I think I'd be better off asking Siri.
Ken, I'm not the one who brought a giant baby kaiju home.
We have to figure something out.
Waktu bayi lucu, tapi udah gede. Ya serem.
If I were to guess, Ken, I'd say she has imprinted on you.
Nyusu deh cuy.
She thinks you are her mother.
I am not built for this. I've got a life, a title to win. You do something nice. Now I'm babysitting a giant pink lizard thing. Oh, we'll take her to Kaiju Island.
Unfortunately, Ken, no one knows where to find it.
Come on.
Ken, it would be very bad if you changed back right now.
Beda ya sama yang Ultraman di Jepang gitu loh. Kalau Ultraman di Jepang kan lampu merah itu menandakan darah mau habis gitu. Tapi kalau ini kalau merah itu tandanya dia kembali lagi jadi manusia.
She's scared of you, Ken.
Scared of me? She's 20 feet tall.
There really is only one person who could help.
Oh, no. You're not just suggesting.
Sorry, Ken. I already called.
Ya Allah.
Kenji. Dad, hey, what's up? About that game tonight?
You okay?
Yeah, you know, I'm good. It was a tough battle. A little sore, still recovering, but
What's that?
you know, it's
Ya.
The most magnificent creature on Earth has died. Last of its kind. And you throw a party.
that magnificent creature nearly took my head off, Dad. I've barely seen you in 20 years. You chose this city and literal monsters over us. Then you get hurt. Can't hack it anymore, and I get to come back and clean up the mess you made as da-dun-da-da, Ultraman. Which I only did because Mom begged me, and you're more worried about the monster. Classic.
No, I only wanted to protect you.
But you didn't even pay attention. Be honest. When Mom disappeared, did you even look for her?
Share the pain of her loss, Kenji. I will leave you alone.
Dewi ini ibunya kemana sih? Galau.
He settled down for a minute and started right back up.
Yeah, I can hear it. Hey, hi. Let's try this. Before.
Oh.
Before. After. Before. After. You see? It's me. What now?
I think it's her tummy. She must be starving.
Do I look like I have any idea what to feed a giant lizard baby?
Iya, BTW dia makan apa?
Nice. Maple and brown sugar oatmeal. New York strip. Mmm.
Si Ken ini sekaya apa sih?
You don't do that. Stop it right now. You are going to be in big trouble, young lady. What? What is it now?
Oh, ikan.
What the heck was that?
It would appear the infant has the ability to echolocate.
Oh, kayak kelelawar ya?
Okay.
Lucu banget. Aduh.
Here's breakfast.
Tapi BTW kan tadi daging. Sama aja kan? Dia nggak suka yang steak. Dia keluar dari kandang dong.
That's disgusting. Not so bad.
Ken, I know you're exhausted, but you have a game today.
After last night, there's no way we're gonna play.
We've determined that despite the battle, the stadium is safe, and we will be playing the game.
Of course we're still gonna play.
About the baby, Ken.
We aren't gonna do anything. You are gonna have to figure something out. Get creative, Mina. You are a state-of-the-art supercomputer.
Studies suggest this isn't healthy for children.
TV, the ultimate babysitter.
Kok monster nonton TV gitu ya?
Sato and the Swallows catcher. Oh no.
Ken, we have something to show you.
Ikannya emas banget ya. Bisa-bisanya dia mandi pakai es batu, pakai cola gitu.
You found Kaiju Island.
No, Ken, but the baby has a surprise for you.
Oh, dear God, what is that smell?
Ken cannot feed a 20-foot baby a half-ton of fish and expect anything but a giant pile of...
Dia mencret dong.
We're going to need to raise her.
Mina, I've got a whole season of baseball ahead of me. I just can't do it.
Ken, you brought her home and now she is your responsibility. She'll die if you don't take care of her.
Kok si robotnya serem amat ya.
Washing her. Develop a strategy for taking her to potty. You'll have to learn the 5 S's. Swaddle, side, shush, swing, suck.
Kayak amat monsternya dikasih mobil.
Hey, Sato! You suck!
I hate morning.
You're out! Go back to America!
Sato! My office. Now!
Threaten to train me? Ken Sato! The Tigers! To the Tigers! Nobody trains Ken Sato!
I'm doing my best, okay? God. You, I clean your massive boobies.
Ken, are you crying?
Oh, I'm not crying.
BTW Ken ini umur berapa ya guys ya? Kalau dilihat dari mentalnya gitu kayaknya umurnya masih 20 I think. Soalnya dia nih apa ya? Ya gitulah.
Ken Sato. Come on, hit the ball. Ken Sato.
Au. Bisa satu dong kolanya. Sekian banyak kola.
Maybe call someone? A friend?
Yeah, I had one of those.
Ya, rusak dong. Capek ya, banyak tanggung jawab. Seperti kata pepatah Om Ben ya guys ya, Ben Parker. Dia bilang, great power come great responsibility. Gini.
Hey, settle down. Hello?
Ami, it's Ken and Sato.
Mr. Sato. Hi. Look, if this is about my comments, I can only judge you on what I see.
Could we just
chat off the record?
I'm really busy right now.
put that down? It's just you're the only person who'll talk to me.
Shoo. I'll make you a deal. You get 5 minutes.
But you have to give me a follow-up.
Please, Mina. Keep her busy.
Ken? You still there?
Udah kayak manusia gitu ya. Solusi biar nggak nangis dikasih HP.
Kid, don't you ever just
wanna jump out a window?
Honestly, it's not easy, Ken. They're like little monsters sometimes. But they can surprise you too. They have hearts and minds of their own. They're trying to discover who they are and what they want.
Memang kalau merawat anak tuh guys harus sabar banget. Lagi kalau masih kecil itu.
Trying to figure out who the heck we are. And you know what? That's the beauty of it. I look at my daughter sometimes and think that I'm learning as much from her as she is from me.
Amazing.
Yep, they sure are. And before you know it, you won't be interested in toys. And your heart will break, Ken. Ken.
Dari mana tuh tongkat baseball dah?
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow night?
Sure.
Great. Tonkatsu Tonki. 7?
Tonkatsu Tonki.
Mina, put up a park. Maybe start her out in one of the older simulations. Something easy.
I have just the thing.
Nice touch, Mina.
Kalau boleh jujur ya guys ya, entah kenapa menurut gue kok terlalu cepat ya. Ken-nya tuh terlalu cepat ini, apa, tadi stres banget ya, kok tiba-tiba dia hanya karena curhat dikit langsung kayak berubah gitu, berubah 180 derajat.
It's okay. It happens sometimes. You just gotta work at it. Now, get ready. Keep your eye on the ball. Ichi, ni, san, ball. Whoa! Yes! Woo! Come on, girl. You gotta run the bases. Hit this. Come on.
Ini kayak semacam spesies naga air gitu, tapi kok jalan pakai kaki. Bukannya dia jalan pakai keempat kakinya, kok dia malah jalan kayak manusia gitu ya.
Mina, we've got plenty of fish and pond rings, right?
Yes, Ken. We're all stocked up.
Now, if she wakes up, put her show on. Dance her little heart out to that stupid song. And if there's any trouble, you ping me on this, got it?
Ken, she's never been safer. Have a good time.
Dozo.
Itadakimasu.
Right.
Amazing.
Udah lihat dari ceweknya makan tuh kayak anime banget ya.
Have you spoken with him since you've been back?
Not really. He and I don't. Nah, Ichiro warned me that you could get the devil himself to confess his sins.
It's my job to get people to confess. And you agreed to this during our little domestic chat.
I'll try not to.
Then stop staring at your watch and tell me why you don't talk to your dad.
Ya Allah, dia megang mobil penyok dong. Lucu banget tuh Megan. Lucu cuy.
Want to see Daddy? Here you go. How about a snack while you watch?
Ngangguk dah guys.
Oh my, what you're experiencing is called acid reflux. Symptoms include heartburn, nausea. Oh no.
Reaksinya kayak oh no doang.
Why are you so laser focused on me?
Because there's something different about you. I don't know what it is yet. Things you've said, things you haven't, but I've done this long enough to know. And when I know, I'm like a pit bull. I don't let go.
Sounds like my mom. So, how am I different?
Okay, during our last interview, you said that kids made fun of you, so you gave them something else to talk about. You didn't like what they said, but you didn't mind that they were talking.
Go on.
Your mother was very supportive, came to all the games, but I think it was hard not having your dad around. You wanted him there to rescue you, to protect you. All the accolades, the money, you don't really care about that. It's the attention, more than anything in the world. You want him to notice.
Look over here. Look at Daddy. He's right here. Careful. Careful. That's not good.
Emang ya guys ya, kita nggak boleh terlalu mengandalkan robot untuk menjaga anak tuh. No, secanggih apapun robot itu, jangan pernah mengandalkan robot untuk jadi babysitter. Aduh.
Daddy will not be happy with all this damage.
Bodoh sih.
The world ain't gonna explode if you show a little vulnerability. The fans don't expect you to be Ultraman. Do you need to get that?
Oh my God. Ami, I'm so sorry. It's a family emergency.
Healthy choices, healthy body. Healthy choices, healthy body.
A disturbance has been reported in Nakayama. There seems to be a large pink creature terrorizing the locals.
Oh God, no.
I am sorry, I'm a terrible babysitter.
Ya sangat.
Yes, you are.
Tadi gue sempet percaya gitu kayak ya ini pasti udah aman lah gitu kan. Nggak nyangka rupanya si robotnya tolol juga.
Ken, I've located her. She's not far from you.
Maybe I can get to her before No, no, no!
Tomo. Oh my gosh, it's Ultra Girl!
Rambutnya ya.
Wanna grab some ice cream? Or does our little superhero need to keep an eye out for Kaiju?
It's okay, Mama. I will protect you. Swat!
Oh no. Hey, come on, come on, come to Daddy.
Oh.
I mean, stop there, beast. Oh no. Babies get acid reflux? Where's baby?
Gara-gara bayi ini kota ini hancur, guys. Pintar ya, pintar musuhnya. Itu.
Not good. Where's baby? There she is. Come down right now. No, no, this is not playtime. You get down from there right now, young lady.
There they are. Remember, tranquilizers only this time.
Untuk siapa?
No! Hang on! I'm coming! No!
Ow!
No, 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 no. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. Daddy's here.
Ultraman, turn the infant over to the KDF, and we will take no action against you.
Dad, I'm not asking for complaints, guilt, or criticism. Not right now. I need your help. She's hurt, Dad. We were attacked, and I don't know what to do. She got loose. Oh, I should have been there. Shh. Dad, please! Careful with her!
Udah kayak ayah ya, guys ya.
Good to see you again, Professor.
Hello, Mina.
It's been a while.
Yes, it has. Can you do me a favor? Can you run a chem analysis on this?
Yes, of course.
Mina, it looks like she might have a broken arm. Can you confirm?
Yes, that's correct. She has a mid-humeral fracture with associated hematoma.
Okay, you're okay.
I have completed the chem analysis, Professor Sato. It's a powerful sedative, but it's harmless.
Can you synthesize 100 cc's?
Yes, Professor.
Good. We'll need more.
More? For what?
Genji, you may not agree with me on anything else, but right now, I am the best chance she has. So please, please, just let me help.
Okay. Dad? Bunny?
It always worked on you. And Bingo was his name. Oh!
Hi, Daddy. I see you, Daddy. I see you. What's that, Mama? Get them!
Dong gue bilang kan. Gara-gara ini dia jadi pengen ngebunuh kaijunya.
Infant has the ability to echolocate, to find her way, meaning eventually she'll want to go home, and when she does, we will track her back to Kaiju Island and destroy them all. You question my methods?
Sir, I'm sorry. I wholeheartedly believe in our mission, but is there no other way?
Your compassion is admirable, Captain. You have children, a boy and a girl, yes?
They're my world, sir.
Family is everything. I don't enjoy this task. I am a scientist after all, not a hunter. But I've learned that hard decisions must be made to protect those we love, understand?
Tapi terkadang gue juga bingung ya sih guys ya, kenapa si Ken atau Ultraman gak mau ngebunuh kaiju? Kan monster. Mau ngancurin kota. Jadi kenapa nggak dibunuh maksudnya ya? Iya sih, nggak boleh ngebunuh gitu kan. Tapi kalau kita dibandingkan dengan Ultraman yang aslinya, ya bunuh-bunuh aja. Nggak ada mikirin kasihan dibunuh. Kayak ngerti juga sih.
Bad habit. I'd say we did pretty well considering the circumstances. Dad, I really appreciate you showing up. I do. But this doesn't make you Ultra Dad. You know, we're not suddenly gonna be best pals.
Kenji, I need to show you something.
Fortunately, KDF was able to contain the damage and no one was harmed. But the kaiju escaped, and it would appear that Ultraman is actually defending the beast. The KDF are conducting a massive search for both the creature and Ultraman. We will protect the families of the city. The threat.
Kenji, I've been tracking Onda. Till now, he's been content on just killing whatever kaiju attacked the city. Something's changed. He wasn't trying to kill the baby. He wanted her alive. I've known Onda for a long time. He is brilliant, he is cunning, and he will never stop. Not until she's captured and you're dead. You and I don't have to be best pals. Least agree, she is the priority.
Yes, she is.
Okay, good. Do you have a plan?
We thought returning the baby to her natural habitat would be best, Professor Sato. But the location of Kaiju Island remains elusive.
Even if we could find it, without a mother to defend her, baby might starve, drown, die of hypothermia. Another kaiju could eat her as a snack, and then...
I got it.
Have to raise her the way her mother would have.
You're suggesting that you and I, Ultramen, guys who are supposed to fight these things, should train this baby to essentially kick our butts?
Kenji, she needs us. Come on, stand up. Have to measure you.
And analyze your entire genetic makeup.
What are you doing?
We need to examine her so that we can plan a training regimen to protect Emmy from predators.
Wait, you named her after Mom?
I think she would approve. Okay, now. Nice and tall.
My God, my dad is a kaiju whisperer.
Yeah? Please prepare to insert the micro-tracking device. Emmy, can you do like Bunny? Good girl. Treat, please. And before we eat, we always say, Itadakimasu.
Professor Sato, I believe that Emmy is experiencing a bit of nausea from the medicine.
Dad, step away. Seriously.
Oh, she's fine. Itadaki!
Lagi pula kenapa monster diajarin itadakimasu gitu, aneh ya. Kayaknya gue pernah deh dengar lagu ini.
In contention, the Giants are now just one game out of first place.
The Giants are really coming together, thanks to a more mature Ken Sato.
We're going to the playoffs. Sato's home run clinches a playoff spot for the Giants. I have never seen a turnaround quite like it.
I don't know what's happening with Sato, but something has changed for the better.
Mati.
I thought it would be good for all of us to get out of the house.
It's exactly...
Wow. Gila. Ini animasi terlalu bagus ya kalau menurut gue. Terlalu bagus.
You know your mom. She could never sit still.
You did search for her.
Yes. God, I miss her. Heart, her passion for life. She showed me what it means to be human.
I'm so sorry, Dad. You remember the O2 series?
Clear night. Outfield seats.
Oh, ini rumah ayahnya ya. 2002. Berarti ini 2022 dong.
I'll never forget the look on your face when I caught it.
You cheered like a maniac every time Matsui knocked one out of the park. I thought if somebody could do that with a bat and a ball, get your attention, make you smile, well, then that was something I needed to do. It was the best day of my life.
Yes, it was just one day.
Efek matanya itu kayak anime. Anime tapi 3D.
You did a very good thing, Kenji.
We did a good thing, Dad. Couldn't have done this without you. Dad, did you ever worry that your power wasn't enough? That you couldn't protect us?
Every single
day.
When I went into battle, I never knew what would happen, whether I'd live or die, whether I could keep you and your mother safe. I know it wasn't easy, Kenji. Moving away, building a new life, and now this. I'm so sorry.
Kadang ayah tuh emang kayak gitu, guys. Ayah itu kelihatan aja gitu, nggak capek, nggak ada masalah apa-apa. Padahal yang seorang ayah pikirkan itu penuh tanggung jawab.
Before that night, I was awkward, impulsive. My color timer would go off in minutes. But during that battle, all I could think about was your mother's laugh and your face. And that was the first time my color timer didn't go off.
Family is everything.
I don't get it.
Your mother and I spent our lives juggling, trying to bridge the gap between us and the kaiju, trying to raise you. Being Ultraman isn't about fighting. It's about heart. Using your power to bring balance. What you're doing now, you've accomplished what we never could.
Oh, what's wrong, girl? What are you looking at, huh?
Why are the stars moving? Mina, scan for incoming.
My radar systems have been jammed.
Oh my god, it's the KDF. Emmy, come on, baby, it's the bad men. Come on. Oh, no, Emmy, no!
Drones have located the target. Drones have located the target.
Emmy! Behind you! Look out!
Bagus.
Are there more drones in the area? Do we have more drones in the area?
Yes, Doctor. A short distance away.
Send them. Send them now.
Dad, what's wrong with her? What's happening?
She's entering a pupil stage, Kenji. She's changing.
Oh.
We have to get her someplace safe.
Firing up the jet.
Dad, as soon as the jet arrives... Dad! Kenji!
Berubah lah jadi Ultraman. Lama banget.
Was the homing beacon successfully deployed?
Chicken lama sih.
We lost the signal, but we believe we can triangulate Ultraman's location within a 5-mile radius.
Good, good. And what of Project Surrogate?
Good news, sir. Estimated time of completion is 5 hours. The destroyer is prepped and ready.
Thank you, Captain Aoshima. That will be all for now.
Yes, sir.
It's the first game of the series, and it appears that Sato is a no-show. He was absent during yesterday's practice, and team management has been silent on the situation. We're all hoping he's okay.
Mina, any change?
No, Ken. He's stable, but his internal injuries were severe. I'm sorry.
Demi.
It's hard to tell, Ken. My sensors can't seem to penetrate the cocoon.
No, it can't be. Mina, where did that sound come from?
It originated from the east, a mile away.
Oh my god.
Ya, tumbuh sayap dong.
Mina, I need an analysis. What do you see?
Scanning, Ken. Something's approaching. Entering the bay.
Ibunya masih hidup.
Mina, take care of Dad.
Danger. Take evasive action.
Waduh.
Are you okay?
Oh God, Mina.
My systems are compromised. I'll be offline soon.
Dad.
Ayahnya mana?
Mina, is he gone?
I'm sorry. My scans still don't detect life. And both of your parents, your mother's sense of humor, her directness, and your father's quiet strength. It is beautiful. You are an amazing baseball player, Kenji, but you were meant to be Ultraman. One more thing, Ken. Emmy's tracking device is still active. You can save her.
Mina, I don't say this enough. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now go get our girl. Be in.
Wait, ayahnya gimana? Jatuh. Wah, gila sih semuanya mati ya. Oh, buat mancing doang rupanya.
There's my girl. Emmy, gotta go, girl. That's not your real mom. She's just a fake. Something the bad man made to trick you.
I know you're up there, coward!
The Gigantron, attack!
Ini yang gue tunggu.
Missile attack! No!
No. Come on. Wake up, girl.
Wait, itu ibunya, tapi dipakein armor.
Kill him.
Emmy.
Kenji, your dad wants to be here more than anything in the world, but sometimes he has to be away to protect us.
Dianya masih hidup cuy. Ya gue mati tadi kan. Tapi kecil ya.
What's wrong with her, girl?
What's happening?
Sir, the mech systems are no longer accepting our command.
Try again.
Sir, Gigantron has overridden our protocols. It seems the creature is no longer under our control.
Escort the crew to the escape pod. See to it that everyone is safe.
But sir,
The KDF must survive, even if I don't. Go now.
Abandon ship!
Ya ini jahat tapi nggak jahat amat, nggak gitu ya. Jahatnya setengah-setengah.
you okay?
I'm fine, Kenji.
Kumisnya jadi ini besi gitu.
We gonna do this together?
Well, I'm not gonna do it alone.
Sakit banget.
Don't you ever touch my
Chiho, be careful. I don't want Cheerios and puke all over the car again.
Oh, she's having fun.
Is everyone okay?
Whoa! Hi, Ultraman.
Amy, come on. Leave the human alone.
How cute!
Imut katanya. Kuat juga bapaknya.
Ultraman! I trusted you! I trusted you to protect us, to protect them! Ultraman! You let them...
Oh no, don't the leg. Cine katanya. Oh, 2 tangan cuy. Ledakan diri.
Akiko, say hi to Daddy. Hi, Daddy. I see you, Daddy. I see you.
Gak ada yang mau nyelamatin dia gitu.
Oh God, he'll destroy us all. Did you ever worry that your power wasn't enough? That you couldn't save us?
Every single day.
Someday, when you have kids of your own, you'll understand.
We're still not sure of his witnesses saw Ultraman throw himself on what looked like a bomb. He saved us. Ultraman saved us.
After a challenging season, proved the skeptics wrong. Brought the team together, rallied the Giants to their first championship title in years. That's gotta feel good.
I can't take the credit. It was this team, these guys. I'm just happy to be a part of it.
Habis guys.
Ken Sato might be the finest player I've ever coached. He exemplifies what it means to be a giant. Any critic, including myself, have noticed a change. What do you attribute that to?
I wouldn't be here without my family. What was that? My dad, mom, they made this possible.
I'm sure she'd be proud.
She used to leave these messages.
Impian semua anak ingin orang tuanya bangga, itu aja sih.
Kenji, you're probably not even up yet, but I was thinking about you and
I wanted to share a list of hopes. I hope that you'll give your father a chance. Whether you believe it or not, he loves you with all his heart. I hope you'll understand us better.
Lucu banget. Mana storynya? By the way, ibunya mana?
Time passes.
Yeah.
We fade into memory. I hope that you'll pass some of those memories some of those lessons along. Because in the end, it was all done with love, kiddo. I miss you.
Itu dia. Tinggal kaijunya ya. Selesai juga ya guys ya. Oke guys ya, kita barusan nonton film Ultraman guys ya. Gila ya nih film ya. Animasinya. Jadi guys ya, ini masalah opini gue aja sih ya guys ya. Selera orang beda-beda. Tapi kalau kalau boleh jujur, gue sebagai seorang yang sudah lama nonton film Ultraman dari kecil. Jadi saat ada kedatangan film Ultraman Rise ini, gue tuh mengharapkan bahwa film Ultraman Rise tuh apakah akan jadi film kayak film-film Ultraman yang dulu gitu, film yang versi Jepangnya. Kalau seandainya kalian udah nonton film Ultraman dari dulu ya, pasti kalau film Ultraman tuh ya tentang Ultraman gitu, Ultramannya hero dan filmnya ya monster. Apalagi kalau seandainya kalian nonton yang film Ultraman yang movie-nya gitu kan, film Ultraman yang movie itu pasti plotnya tuh rata-rata ya guys, plotnya tuh gini. Wah, akhirnya Ultraman bertemu dengan monster yang sangat kuat yang susah dikalahkan. Bahkan Ultraman aja tuh susah ngalahinnya gitu. Tapi dengan penuh lika-liku, dengan proses, dengan apa, akhirnya Ultraman bisa melawan si monster yang paling terkuat ini ya. Rata-rata tuh kalau film yang movie-nya tuh kayak gitu guys. Dan gue kira filmnya tuh bakal kayak gitu ceritanya. Tapi pada saat gue nonton ya ceritanya justru beda gitu ya. Justru gue merasa di monster di film Ultraman Rise ini tuh nggak kerasa villain. Justru gue ngerasa ya monsternya kayak temen aja gitu. Yang justru villainnya ya si manusia, si kakek tua itu. Ya tapi lagi-lagi ya guys ya, ini masalah selera aja sih ya guys ya, sebagai orang yang udah nonton film Ultraman dari dulu. Tapi ya walaupun berbeda tapi bagus, berbeda ya bagus. Gue nemuin sesuatu hal yang baru dari Ultraman versi Amerika ini dan ya cukup kreatif aja lah. Dan yang alhamdulillahnya lagi dari film ini guys, nggak ada adegan gay ya. Gue tekankan lagi, nggak ada adegan gay ya. Jadi kalau seandainya mungkin dari para penonton saya yang ada orang tua gitu ya, yang mungkin bapak ibu bertanya gitu, ada nggak sih film yang ramah anak untuk anak yang di bawah 15 tahun lah? Ada ini Ultraman Rise, bagus, enak ditonton, family friendly dan gak gay gitu kan. Dan yang membuat gue sedikit bingung dengan di tengah jalan ceritanya ya guys ya, karena dia tuh ada sesuatu hal yang beda dari film Ultraman yang biasanya. Kalau di film Ultraman biasanya gitu kan, film Ultraman biasanya tuh ya hero-nya ya Ultraman, kalau penjahatnya monster. Tapi kalau di film Ultraman Rise ini gue tuh bingung gitu loh. Di saat di saat awal film aja dia itu bilang monsternya jahat tapi nggak jahat juga. Jadi gue kayak gue bingung gitu. Jadi tugasnya Ultraman ini ngapain gitu loh. Dan gue bingungnya dia juga nggak tahu gitu kan tempat asalnya si kaijunya. Jadi kalau dia mau ngelawan monsternya, dia mau kemanain monsternya. Jadi gue tuh kayak di tengah perjalanan ceritanya gue agak bingung. Jadi Ultraman ini gunanya apa gitu. Ya tapi ya lagi-lagi di ceritanya tuh dibilang kalau sebenarnya monsternya ya baik. Tapi ya nggak tahu juga sih, gue bingung juga apa monsternya ngasar atau gimana gitu. Tapi guys, yang membuat gue takjub dari film ini tuh jujur aja sih guys ya, dari segi jalan cerita gue agak sedikit kurang lah, bukan nggak bagus tapi agak sedikit kurang aja gitu. Tapi yang membuat gue terus nonton film ini sampai akhir itu tuh karena animasinya gitu. Animasinya gila sih itu. Gue jujur guys, gue nggak pernah lihat animasi yang sebagus ini gitu loh. Walaupun agak sedikit kayak Spider-Verse gitu, tapi beda lah gitu dengan Spider-Verse. Kalau Spider-Verse kan agak sedikit komik-komik gimana gitu kan. Tapi kalau ini tuh agak lebih ke 3D tapi ada sedikit 2D-nya gitu. Dan wah itu kalau seandainya kalian nonton, itu yang membuat gue tuh nggak bosan dari awal cerita sampai akhir. Animasinya, apalagi pada saat adegan berantemnya itu, wah jujur guys, gue merinding parah bener. Belum lagi lagunya gitu kan. Tentu gue suka banget dengan adegan si monster kecilnya itu, wah itu kawaii sih. Dan yang membuat film ini unik juga, gue tuh melihat ada kayak style-style anime gitu guys, kayak film-film Jepang gitu loh. Mereka ada ngomong kata-kata Jepangnya lah, itadakimasu, dozo, ichinisanyan, ariate. Gue juga sempat ngakak juga ngedenger villainnya ngomong shine gitu, gue kayak gitu. Jadi agak sedikit gimana gitu ya dengarnya, tapi keren sih, kreatif. Dan yang membuat gue bingung juga sih ya dengan film ini tuh rupanya Ultraman-nya tuh keturunan gitu loh. Kalau di film Ultraman yang biasanya tuh kan Ultraman sama manusia tuh kan beda tempat gitu ya, beda planet. Tapi karena manusia dan Ultraman-nya bertemu gitu, jadi mereka bekerja sama untuk menyelamatkan umat manusia, menyelamatkan seluruh planet lah. Tapi kalau di film Ultraman Rise ini justru Ultraman-nya tuh ada di dalam diri manusianya. Justru kekuatan Ultraman-nya tuh turun ke garis keturunan. Jadi itu yang membuat gue bingung juga di tengah jalan ceritanya. Tapi menurut gue overall bagus sih jalan ceritanya, pendalaman karakternya. Karena menurut gue sih kalau gue nonton dari awal sampai akhir ya, ini filmnya tuh sebenarnya ya memang fokusnya untuk anak-anak, sangat-sangat kartun lah, gak kayak film versi Jepang yang dulu gitu. Dan belum lagi karakter-karakternya juga, kayak ibunya, bapaknya, lalu ada karakternya si siapa tuh, Ami ya. Wah itu si Ami cantik juga ya gitu ya. Cocok banget buat waifu-waifu para wibu di luar sana gitu. Oke guys, sampai di sini saja video gue. Dan sekali lagi gue minta maaf juga ya karena reaksi gue nggak seberapa gitu. Soalnya ya ini udah jam berapa ya? Lihat nih. Lihat ini udah jam 1.35, udah setengah 2 guys, gue belum tidur. Wah sebenarnya ini waktu tidur gue, tapi udah nggak sabar pengen nonton film ini. Jadi ya gila sih, ini lihat di mata gue udah hitam banget dah. Oke guys, sampai di sini saja video gue. Jangan lupa subscribe and share video ini, dan sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Bye.